Okay, guys, don't eat there. Don't kill me right now. No. Don't you dare. Don't be a friendship, okay? I'm glad I got my piano. I'm glad I got my... Oh, like, yes. I'm now here. I'm gonna tell Russian Empire Energy that I'm safe. Yes. Yeah, we done the piano glitch. Bro. Okay, we're gonna chat at the same time. Because it's my alt account. Yeah, we chat at the same time. Bro, someone subscribe. Bro, stop it. Summon him up! Summon him up! Summon him up! Yeah, get it. Get it. Let's do it. Yeah, let's do it. Oh yeah. I killed myself. Dang it. Come on, bro. Yeah. Yeah, they must change their nonsense. Hold on. Not this one, sorry. Oh, dang it. Oh, dang it. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I did finally got my police work back. That right there is my alt account, so yeah. Get him off. Yeah, get him off. Yeah, bro. Yeah, yeah. Yeah! Yeah, get it. Yeah, I'm gonna blur you out. Yeah. Get that. Get that. No, no, no. Team friendship? No, no, no. Don't you dare do the team friendship. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. F them. That we're gonna be like joining another server, so hey, welcome back, and please subscribe to me and Russian Empire Energy. So yes. I'm sorry, let me skip this. Since I'm back, so the Russian Empire Energy 4074, the subscription will be removed, and it's gonna be up to let me think. Okay, let me just. And it will change up to thank you for 17,000 views on Russian Empire Energy subscription on his own channel. Definitely though, the 8th April 2012 is where he joined. But though he is confirmed to be a great veteran in YouTube and has been making hard work on one of his videos. And now his most popular video is now Carmen Needs a Chill Pill. And yes, one of his what used to be the populars is the Who Is That video. And also make sure to subscribe to him just like what I am. And thank you for him. So if you want to comment, then Well, I am back. Yes. So my favorite video on his own YouTube channel is definitely this one because it has a perfect ending. See that? Yeah, and his first video is a meme of a day. Yes, I can tell that because he told me. So, yes. And he made his profile by going to Solar Smash. And so this is how he made his profile, right? And he know how he made his profile. But definitely though, let me explain this to you at the next video or now. But let me just do it now, okay? Just ignore what I said because I just said. Let me just, or maybe I can explain this tomorrow. But yes. He made his profile by searching Russian Empire in Google and putting the Soviet Union logo right on the middle. Put it into Solar Smash, and it must be dark. And then he take a photo of it, and then he made this, giving it a perfect shot. Russian Empire NG. Yes, he finally reached up to 75 subscribers when I check on his channel because. You know, I still remember that I could even just yeah. But this was the video about. But sorry. Oh, yes. He is showing how he made a video. And it caught a video. What if every girl? And yes, he can't skip just like mine. And yes, even though he kept telling me, telling me those stuff, what he told. And well, yes. Is happy birthday curiosity enough for curiosity to be happy? This was on 2022, I guess. But you know, he is subscribed to this YouTuber. And what I'm gonna do is subscribe to him too. And his comment got pinned, just like he always told me. Hey bro. Yes, it was in 2023. Yes. And yes, though, I got my Play Store back. And let me show you. But sometimes I get some stupid games, sometimes I delete them, yeah. 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 So, well, yes, but, let's go move on to the next video, but it's gonna be up to, let's just skip this for my turn, okay? I'm in more time! Hey, welcome back, and we're gonna do the piano glitch. First, I'm gonna use my ult, but yes, I write all guns on my ult account, so yes. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, he's gonna, yeah. What? Oh. Yeah. So, but he's gonna make a new video. So, yes, he's making a new video right now. Yes, the mouth looks so curved. And the secret is, don't shoot the pianist. He's doing his best. Yes. Now, yes. I think he's done recording or no, but let me use myself to help him because he got the sniper first. And also I'm gonna let him just go do this emote, yes. Yes. Sorry if this is 10 minutes long. We're gonna get you on part 2.